Hello, everyone. My name is Aparna Mandapaka, and my research title is Decoding Cybercrime and How Cryptocurrency Plays a Role in Tracing Cybercriminals. So, let's understand what cybercrime is. Cybercrime is an illegal criminal activity that is committed using computers, the internet, or the networks or other technologies. Some types of common criminal cybercrimes are hacking, identity theft, phishing, malware, ransomware attacks, and cyberstalking. So let's understand the problem. The problem of this is that most of the cybercrimes are impacting normal victims by stealing their private information and credentials. So the purpose of this research is to identify a way to stop these cybercrimes from happening by using certain tools and expertise so that this wouldn't happen in future. So let's understand how cryptocurrency and cybercrime are related. So cryptocurrency is a digital currency which uses encryption algorithm to perform secure and safe transactions. They are decentralized. Currently, most of the cybercrimes happen in cryptocurrency since everything became online, like money transaction, money exchange, investments, and everything. So it's hard to track the cyber criminals who perform cryptocurrency scams and ransomware attacks because the idea of cryptocurrency happens through anonymity, which means that the identity is hidden and makes it harder to detect the cyber criminals. In this research paper, I'll be talking about the cryptocurrency and cybercrime and the challenges faced in tracing cybercriminals. I also highlight that cryptocurrency has high amount of anonymity and security, which makes it a best option for cybercriminals to perform illegal activities using cryptocurrency. So, for this research project, I chose the article Tracing Transaction Across Cryptocurrency Ledger by Harun Yusuf, George Kapos, and Sarah Melkshon. So this article focused on challenges and techniques for tracking transactions across different cryptocurrency ledgers. The authors mentioned that the decentralized aspect of cryptocurrencies makes it difficult to track transactions and identify the attackers of these illegal activities. In this article, several techniques are mentioned for tracing the transaction, like clustering transaction based on the shared addresses, by analyzing the transaction flow patterns and also identifying the intermediary address. In this research, the author also mentions the limits and potential privacy concerns of provided techniques. Cryptocurrency and cybercrime are big topics overall, and there have been some publications related to this issue which provide different solutions. So, some of the trends and challenges that come with this cybercrime is that some of the trends are the use of cryptocurrency has been growing rapidly, which has led to the development of a wide range of different cryptocurrencies. The rise of decentralized exchange and other applications had led to increased cross-chain transaction, which involves transferring cryptocurrencies between different blockchains. As the use of cryptocurrency grows, there is a growing need for advanced analysis tools that can help law enforcement agencies and regulators to track this illegal activities on different blockchains. Some of the challenges with this is that the Tor browser. So the Tor browser is a network that helps the cyber criminals to access the dark websites. So Tor uses a network that bounces your traffic through random nodes, wrapping encryption each time, making it difficult to track. The reason the hackers use Tor is because it helps them to access dark web without being restricted. Because it's hard to access these dark websites via normal standard browsers, as they allow for censorship. So here's a research question for this article. Is it possible to trace the money as it moves within the ledger of single cryptocurrency and also understand if this serves as a criminal or profit driven agenda? So the author's solution to this question is that they use a combination of graph analysis and clustering techniques to link addresses across different blockchains. The author's methodology involves constructing a graph representing of each blockchain where nodes represent addresses and edges represent transaction between those addresses. Then the authors use clustering technique to group together addresses that are likely to belong to the same user. To link address across different blockchain, the author used combination of heuristic and machine learning techniques to identify the shared addresses between two blockchains. And I would like to talk about my approach, and my approach focuses on using blockchain using Bitcoin. So I would like to use blockchain analysis, and I also want to mention that I'll provide a solution, and also I'm gonna talk about the how the results can be improved based on the author's results. The blockchain analysis is used to trace the movement of cryptocurrency within the ledger of single cryptocurrency and identify whether such movements serve as a criminal or profit driven activity. Blockchain analysis involves use of specialized software tools and algorithms to analyze and interpret the transaction data recorded on a blockchain. One of the key features of blockchain technology is that the ability to record and store transaction data in decentralized and immutable. Some of the improvements that I think can be done on author's approach is that developing better tools for cross-chain analysis. The author suggests that there is a need for better tools and techniques to perform cross-chain analysis. This will involve developing algorithms and software that can analyze data across multiple blockchain ledgers to track the flow of the funds. In this research, the author also suggested that collaboration between different cryptocurrency exchange and law enforcement agencies could improve data sharing and also increase the efficiency of investigation. They could involve creating a centralized database where information about suspicious transactions can be shared and analyzed. And in conclusion, I want to focus on what I learned and what I have accomplished in this research. So some things I learned and accomplished from the article and performing this research is that the help of law so that the methodology proposed in the article can help law enforcement agencies and regulators better track and prevent illegal activities like money laundering, terrorist financing, and other forms of financial crime. I also learned that blockchain analysis can help improve the transparency and accountability of cryptocurrency transactions, which can help build trust and promote the wider adoption of blockchain technology. The insight gained from blockchain analysis can help inform policy and regulatory frameworks for cryptocurrency transactions, which can help ensure that the technology is used in a responsible and safe manner. Something that I learned in this is that the methodology proposed in the article by the authors provide a new approach to tracing transactions across different cryptocurrency ledger, which can inspire the development of new analysis tools and techniques for the blockchain. So some future work that could be done is that implementing some future advancements in tracing cybercriminals using AI or machine learning. For the author solution, the authors have mentioned that their solution methodology is not perfect and there's room for improvement in terms of accuracy and efficiency. So the future work could focus on improving the accuracy and efficiency of methodology by incorporating more advanced machine learning techniques or refining the heuristics used in identifying the shared addresses. In their research, the authors also mentioned that they tested the methodology on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are many other cryptocurrencies with different transaction structures and properties. So the future work could investigate how well the methodology generalizes to other cryptocurrencies and where modifications are necessary. And here are my references, and thank you so much for listening to my presentation.